to just do like a really quick eye makeup tutorial. I'm going to go through what's already on my face, but this is just going to be eyelids basically. So I'm currently wearing the Professional Primer by Benefit. I also have on Makeup Forever in Y205. I also use my NYX HD Studio Concealer. Then I use the It by Pores Pressed Powder all over my face. Rimmel London Natural Bronze and Sunlight. I have on Benefit High Beam Highlight. And then as you can see, some mascara is already on my lashes because I filmed something before this. So I have the Marcel Extension Plus mascara on. If I need to, I'm going to add more of that. My eyebrows are Benefit Give Me Good Brows in number 3. And then on my lips is a mixture of the Ulta Juice Infused Lip Oil and then the NYX Wit Fouet? I have no idea how to pronounce it. But it's that in Pink Cloud. So let's go ahead and do the eyes. So for this Springy tutorial, I'm using my Tartelette in Bloom palette. Now I cannot really turn it around to show you guys too much because I'll see if you guys can see this. My cat kind of destroyed my palette. She knocked it off of where it was sitting. So the powder is quite loose now, but it still works. As you can see, like it's all over my hands already. So I can't flip it to show you guys, but you can easily find this palette on my blog or anything if you need to know which color I was using. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Moda M19 brush. And I'm actually going to unfortunately be starting with Funny Girl, which is one of the ones she ruined. So I'm going to have to be quite careful not to use too much. And I'm just going to be putting this on the lid. I'm hoping that as I like pat it down more, the more I use the palette, the more it'll get like patted back down, but I'm not sure whether or not that's going to occur. So after I got that on the lid, I'm going to take an Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and the next thing I'm going to do is use a little bit of the color Sweetheart to blend out. So I'm just going to take that and blend out with Sweetheart. After that, I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to take the color Rebel and I'm going to run that under my eyes. And I'm just going to kind of use my finger to smudge it out more. Then I'm going to take a Luxie brush and I'm going to take Charmer and I'm just going to use that on my brow bone. And I'm also going to use it in my inner corners. So after I've done that, I'm just going to curl my lashes since I already have mascara on them. So I'm going to take a lash curler and just hold it for like 20 seconds. And then same on the other side. I think that was less than 20 seconds, but you get the idea. And then, yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I like using the Tartelette palette a ton in the spring. That's like my go-to for spring looks because it's just got a lot of like really pretty like bright colors. It's also got darker colors. I just really like it. It's got a lot of nice natural colors for spring. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this and I hope you guys like this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know if you like shorter videos like this or if you prefer like the longer ones where I like do all of my makeup. Just let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!